So good morning all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. So I am Rakesh front of you. So we are playing to game report ground reporting. So there has lots of people also available because I am standing front of Kannada place. So there has lots of good personality also as well as because I am like getting a lots of answer for the people because people has a very lots of question related to our Delhi education and UP educations and political and everything. So that's why reason it's very amazing game for the our side. So I hope you are connect with me and connect with me. So first of all my question is that hello sir.
Hello sir.
Can I take some minutes?
Of course sir, why not?
So what is your name?
My name is Prince.
So we have Prince sir. So Prince sir, you know that like India education it's right now little bit good, not that much good. So what is your opinion like Delhi education, UP education and Rajasthan education also as well as?
Okay, so in previous time I can say the Delhi education had not good, but right now we have to say the Delhi education is too much good. You can see the conditions of Delhi schools, which is very good. You know the transport service, which is very I like very well. And especially apart from it, you know, it's up to the student, you know, how a student...
But some people said about like Delhi school conditions not that much good because some people said about that line.
No, I have read also from the government side, so that's why I can say the condition of it. And apart from it, you know, the government...
So do you like Kejriwal?
Not ever, yeah, I can say because I have seen the condition before in the previous time of schools. So that's why I can say I like Kejriwal.
So Weir has a very good personality for Prince. Prince has a very good answer related to our education, Delhi education. But if talk about like next step for the next people, because second thing about like Rajasthan education or Delhi education, it's very big difference for the our side. So could I take some minutes from your side?
Of course you can.
So what is your name?
My name is Himanshi.
So Himanshi, I think you have also lots of questions related to education, Delhi education and Rajasthan education. So what think about you?
Actually, what I think about Delhi education is really great. People are focusing on their studies and they are very, we can say they have so many kind of things that they want to do in their life. That's why they really want to study. But in Rajasthan, people are not giving that much importance to study because they are thinking the child marriage is still there. People are not focusing on the studies of the ladies. They are thinking that girls do not have the right to study. They are thinking they are just going to go to another house and they are going to do the work. That's why I think Rajasthan education is not that much great.
So ma'am has a very good answer related to our country because child marriage it's not that good for the our side because after that people had got some age after that he will go be a married to person. So I think ma'am has a very great answer for the our situation, our country. So because if toward right now sir, could I take some minutes?
Yes, of course.
So what is your name?
My name is Ritik.
Your name is very good. So you know that like right now Kejriwal went to jail. So what thing about you related to Kejriwal?
Okay, so I'm the supporter of Kejriwal, so I would say it's not good because he did very well work. Even he is doing very well work for the normal people. Means when we are going in a ground level, so at that time he is doing very well work. For example, electricity bill below the 200 units, it's very good. The second thing is that water tanks means they are when you go in a Sangam Bihar, Tigri and that kind of places, so water crises are there. So
but some people said about like Kejriwal said one line because I like know that like I want become a Delhi's like to London. So think about you.
So sir, I just want to tell you one thing. It took time. Means if we are just suddenly say we have to see a London. So
according to you, how much time?
Okay, so actually sir, we need to work on the ground level first. If we are doing ground level work, so definitely it will change. We can see. Means now Delhi is the capital of India. So at that time, the metro city, even there are several things.
But some people said alcohol is not that much good for the people. But Kejriwal opened lots of shop like wine shops.
So I just want to tell you one thing, means if people want to take it, so what we can do it. Another thing is that Kejriwal did it. I'm against with it, means when he's they implement that rule buy one get one free, so I'm against it. But if people are trying to get it well, so what can I do for it? Means if people want to drink the alcohol or liquor, so what can I do for it? Means it's up to people what they want to do.
What think about your UP education right now? Like Yogi Adityanath did a good work for the UP. So think about you.
Okay, so it's depend on a board board, sir. For example, if he implement the CBSE board, so it's good. Means if UP board there is a problem. Means in Hindi medium. Means now at time if you want to do a job in MNC or whenever in a government exam, private job, whatever you will do. So at that time you have to do work in the in English language. And UP board are not giving you the best quality of education in English. So at that time they are facing a too much problem. Even when you go in a the UPSC, SSC, so their aspirant are facing a too much problem. That's why.
So sir, I like your all thought and concept because you have very great knowledge related to our Delhi, but some people also against to Kejriwal and against to Aam Aadmi Party. Like it's so sometimes it's good because there is also many people also available. So we can ask the next question for the ma'am. Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Anita.
Can I take some minutes?
Yeah, definitely.
So ma'am, you know that like there is a two party, one India, second NDA. So which party are you supporting?
Party is not supporting, means any one party I don't like to support them. As a citizen of India, I can understand the rationality of the things, because once the NDA and the India Alliance is there, so India Alliance is working in on their field and the NDA is working in their field, because we have a many states, 28 states, they are working in very good way. So we can see the work, how the work is doing, how the positive impact are there on our country and how our country is treated in other countries.
But ma'am, you know that like NDA without Nitish can't make the party and make the leadership. So some talk about like Nitish because I think he is not good. Some people said about.
Actually, it is a political, political things that we are the Indian citizen. At that time, we can understand how we can just, support the teams. If the Lalu Yadav or the NDA and any Nitish party who are from the Bihar and they are supporting.
So we can believe to Nitish Kumar. We can believe to Nitish Kumar because Nitish Kumar also got one statement because I am never come to again in BJP party, but he still came. So
I would say he is a kind of, there is in 1976 there was a election, Ayaram Ram from the Rajasthan. So he is that kind of a personality. Whenever he is getting advantage and benefit from any party, he just move on that.
As a party, do you like Nitish Kumar?
No, as a person I don't like him because he is not stable in their life, he is not stable in the political. Even due to him, the Bihar is not growth manner. Bihar is still in the deprived.
So could you explain Bihar education, because if Nitish Kumar also got one position in Bihar, so you know that like Bihar education is not that much good because many people migrate to Rajasthan. So could you about
yeah, luckily I also belong to Bihar. Bihar education previously in the ancient time it was very nice because all the Mauryas, they were doing a lot of things in the good manner, but nowadays in our Bihar that is not good because in the Bihar industrialization is not there, good education.
So ma'am, I like your thought because she is not like to Nitish Kumar but she is like to BJP party and NDA. So according to me, I got that point and I have also some people. So next one is the